Here is a hand boiler fidget, and it kind of works like magic. Basically, it is a blown glass, cute little almost hourglass shape, and it has a colored liquid inside. What happens is when you hold onto it, you don't have to squeeze or anything. All of a sudden, the liquid just starts going up to the top. It's magically pulling all the colored liquid from the bottom and bringing it up. Now when you let go, it kind of stays that way. There's another one that you can see. You can see it working like almost like a straw, going up to fill it. And how you get the liquid back down is you touch the top. And you can see it's all going back down. There it is, going empty.